Hey everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did, and guess what? I have a box from Matt and Kimberly Jensen from Jensen's Adventures. I've been waiting to open it until I could film it, so let's see what's inside. Matt and Kimberly of Jensen's Adventures contributed mightily to the Heart for Rocks auction that we had. They were very generous and sent a bunch of stuff, and now they're being even more generous. So this one says that it has prairie agates in it. Let's see what it looks like. Look at the zigzags in that one. Some of these would be just really cool face polished, I think. I love seeing rocks from other places. This is very close to where I live, South Dakota, but I haven't really been rock hunting there. I guess I better put it on my calendar. That one almost looks like a lace agate. That's neat. Wonder if that one has some varnish on it or something. It's so shiny. Pretty. Put these all in a bowl of water and then you'll see the colors really pop. I do love the zigzags. Isn't that pretty? Look at those colors pop. That one's really different, isn't it? This one's really amazing. Ooh, Tepee Canyon. This is another place that I really want to go, but haven't yet. It's my understanding that Tepee Canyon agates are pretty hard to find, and they're maybe hard to get to. They're not abundant like the Montana agates are, so I'm feeling very lucky to have this. So this is actually a pair, part of two of them, and you can see that the Tepee Canyons come in these nodules, and I'm guessing that some of them are duds, so you pick them up and then you have to either break them apart or cut them to see if there's anything inside of them. This is the other side of this, and I think they look a little bit like eyes. You know, I've been fighting a sinus infection and I feel like this is what my eyes look like today, just kind of all weird. But I think these would really look great face polished, doing like either a grind or a thin cut and make it flat, and then do a really nice face polish as a pair. I think that would make a great specimen. Tepee Canyon. This one is a bigger prairie agate from South Dakota, and you can see, look at all the swirls on that one. Let's get a little bit wet. Oh, that pops it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? But that would make some really nice slabs. Some more prairie agates and a piece of cut jasper. Let's take a look at the prairie agates. Look at that. Ooh, swirly whirly. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is an amazing, amazing rock. Just imagine what must have happened in order to make this occur. You know, like all of these layers were laid down and then some giant pressure just crushed it and swirled it around and made it into this shape. And boy, that is so cool. This one even has some purpley colors in it. Oh, okay. Prairie agates are on my list. Things I must find. Matt and Kim think these are perhaps short ridge agates, root beer color. I have never actually even heard of short ridge agates, so I couldn't tell you yay or nay, but they're pretty fun. Interesting. I'll have to look those up. And finally, some bubblegum agates from South Dakota. Oh my gosh, there's a big bag of them here. I might have to save some of these for next year's auction. This is so much. Matt and Kim, you're so generous. Thank you so much for sending these. They sent a little note saying that this was a thank you for doing such a great job with the auction. But gosh, it was such a delight to have so much participation from people and to have so many people, you know, there and chatting and having a good time, donating to a good cause. I just felt really lucky to be a part of it. Oh, bubblegum agates, they're so fun. These ones I think probably would be good to tumble, maybe. Matt did say that when you cut them, they're not very good to cut. They don't have a lot of pattern inside necessarily, but they sure are fun. They just look like big little wads of bubblegum, don't they? These are fun to find. This one's a little bit of a different color than the other ones. And bigger too. This one looks different from the rest of them, but boy, oh boy, look at that agate pattern. Really pretty. And this one has some nice little dots in the middle. These little bumps are called botryoidal crystals, and a lot of people say botryoidal. It's kind of a hard word to say, and honestly, I've asked numerous geologists, and none of them have the same answer. So I think you can say it the way you want to, and I prefer to just say bots. This one's even kind of a bubblegum pink, along with this really dark kind of gold color. Interesting. What fun to play with rocks. What fun to play with rocks that I've never played with before. I want to thank Matt and Kim very, very much. Jensen's Adventures is a YouTube channel that you should go and check out. It turns out that they actually don't live that far from me, so look forward to some adventures between the two channels sometime next summer. And yeah, thanks a lot. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.